Hello, children. I hope you all are doing fine. Well, today we are going to study Geeta's biscuits. Can you see this little girl? Her name is Geeta. Geeta is poor. What is the opposite of rich? The opposite of rich is poor. Geeta is poor. It means she has no money. She is hungry. Her tiffin carrier is empty. So, can you see? She is a poor girl, and look at the expression of her face. She is sad. Why? Because she is hungry. And her tiffin carrier is empty. There's no food in it. A car is stopping and people are getting out. Look, there's the restaurant. So, these can you see this family? They are all coming out of this red car and they have come out for lunch. A little girl looks at Geeta. They all go into the restaurant. So this little girl, while stepping out of this car, she looks at Geeta. Geeta is looking through the window of the restaurant. Oh, ice cream. So Geeta, as you know, Geeta is hungry. And now when she looks inside the restaurant through the window, what she sees? That these people, they are having a party, they are having fun and they are eating ice cream. So Geeta wants to eat an ice cream too. The people are having fun. They are eating ice cream and biscuits. So what are these people doing? They are having fun and they are eating ice cream and biscuits. Oh, so it's a birthday party of this little girl wearing this green frock. So it's a birthday. So they have come here to celebrate her birthday. Happy birthday to you. So they are all singing this birthday song which we all sing in class when there is a birthday of your classmate. The little girl is cutting a cake. What are the others singing? So children, what do you think? What are they singing? So when there is a birthday of someone, what do we sing? Which song do we sing? We sing Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Geeta. Happy birthday to you. Geeta is sitting on a wall close to the car. The party is over. Everyone is carrying party bags and wearing party hats. So can you see in this picture? The party is all over. All the family members, all the relatives and all the friends, they are coming out of the restaurant and they are all carrying party bags and they are wearing party birthday caps. The little girl goes to Geeta. So this little birthday girl, she goes to Geeta and she gives her a bag and a box. So what did she give it to her? She gave a bag and a box. So Geeta, can you see Geeta's face? She looks happy now. Geeta opens the bag. She eats some cake. So what is she eating? She's eating a cupcake. She does not open the box. What she does? She does not open this box, this butter biscuit box. What is in it? See, it's written butter biscuit. So in this box there are some butter biscuits. She puts the box in her basket. She puts the basket on her head. So what she does? She keeps this butter biscuit box into her basket and then she carries it on her head. She goes down the road. The next morning. So what happens the next morning? What is Geeta doing? Geeta is outside a school. What is she doing? What do you think? What is she doing? Can you see this? This is the same butter biscuit box. What did she do? She just ate the cake and she kept this butter biscuit box in her basket. And the next morning, what is she doing? She is trying to sell this butter biscuit box. So what is she doing? She's trying to sell this biscuit. Who is buying something from her? A little girl is buying this butter biscuit from her. So this is how she is trying to earn money. She could have ate this biscuit, but what she did? She saved this box. She did not eat the butter biscuit, and the next morning she went outside the school and she tried to sell it off. And 10 years later, so what do you think? Who is this woman? She is that same little girl. Same little girl. Now she's all grown up. After 10 years, she's all grown up. And what is she doing? She is selling Geeta's biscuit. Now she is baking her own biscuits, and now she is selling biscuits. And can you see, there are many customers, there are many people who have come to buy biscuits. And now she is no more a poor girl and no more a sad girl, but now she is a happy, rich woman. I hope you all understood this chapter. So try to read this chapter at home. And if you have any problem, just go through this video once again. Okay, bye bye children.